My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88, and this is a part of my mini tax preparation course, and it's designed to give you just enough information to help you be able to prepare simple tax returns, which means W-2, children, maybe even some child care on it. But the point is made to give you enough information by walking you through it to where you can put together a tax return and you might not fully know what you did, but you did it because you had someone to walk you through and guide you through how to make that happen step by step. And so in this mini course, it's designed to help people who are looking to take a basic income tax course by taking this course first, which will give them a better understanding of what they're looking to get themselves into before they take a comprehensive basic income tax course, because there's so much information that's included that I'm not going to even deal with in this mini course that you'll get to later if you decide to take the next steps to taking the basic comprehensive course that's designed to help you acquire the knowledge and skills to pay individual income taxes for your clients. So I have a coaching program that's designed to help you get your business started from A to Z, and I offer a full service solution by taking away all the guesswork on you starting your own tax service, helping you become profitable and sustainable within 18 months of the program, which I give you access to. And so when it comes to this program, the foundation is acquiring the knowledge and skills to provide tax preparation services. And so this here mini course is just going to give you enough information outside of what's already included in the publications that you're going to read in your own time and your own leisure and hopefully get a better understanding when it's all said and done for you to take the next steps to move it on. So publication 501, 596 have the resources and information in it to help you to prepare a simple return. So back in 1995 is how I learned how to prepare taxes, because back then they all taught by hand. So that's the first method of learning is by hand. So if you're willing to go to irs.gov and order your forms and publications, you can have enough forms and publications where you can actually do these by hand versus trying to print out the forms and publications at home, which can be expensive, especially if you're on a budget, especially if you don't have that type of money to use in that way right now. The free method is to utilize irs.gov at this point, because right now they're still giving away free publications and forms. I don't know how long that's going to last, but right now they're still free. So the forms and publications I used to teach my course with when I had my brick and mortar office, I got all from the irs.gov website or the number. So since I was ordering in bulk, they had a number you can call. So inside this course, you will get the number and the website that you can go to and place your order to get the actual publication forms to use to fill out for the basic income tax course. That's the most preferred way to go, is to get a better understanding. It's about actually filling them out by hand. The second way, which we'll talk about in another video, is to learn how to acquire the knowledge and skills by putting in the information through tax preparation software. And so that's another challenge in itself. The two most challenging things to having your own tax service is acquiring the knowledge and skills to do taxes and the software to do it with. Those are the two most challenging things that my clients go through. So out of all the things I help you do with starting your own tax preparation business, those are the two challenges. And I call them a challenge because everyone is going to be different. Their learning curve is going to vary based on individual to individual to individual. So this here forms the 1040. And you can actually fill this form out right here through Adobe. And so this is another alternative method to filling out the forms by hand is using Adobe. And then Schedule 1, and Schedule 2, and Schedule 3. These are the new tax reform forms that went in effect when Trump came in that changed the old way that we used to do taxes. This was the 2017 form that before the changes were made, where everything still goes on the 1040, but now they basically broke them up to sections. So each section of this 1040 has been broken down to the point where they are schedules now. So when you look at Schedule 1, is additional income and adjustments. On the 1040, this was the section for that. Right here was the where they took out. I can't even, well, I can't show you, this one because this is not the 2017 version, so I can't show you comparison using this one. So I'll have to show you the comparison in another video with 2017 1040 form and how they broke them down and turned them into 3 other schedules. And so when it comes to this basic mini course, 501 is going to give you standard deductions, going to give you the chart we use to help clients determine if they require to file or not. We're going to give you the 5 filing statuses, and we're going to give you the 5 tests to determine a qualifying child. And so that's the first part of the information. The second part is the earned income tax credit. A lot of people qualify for the earned income tax credit, and so that information, along with the earned income tax credit table, along with the tax table itself, will give you enough information to help you fill out a simple tax return. Because the tax table gonna help you look up the tax amount of the net income, and the earned income credit table is gonna let you know how much they qualify when it comes to earned income tax credit. And there's some other credits that's we got to deal with too, but we just gonna keep it so simple that we're not gonna even deal with those other credits at this point. We just gonna let you know they exist, and we'll deal with them in another module. And say, for instance, if you decide that you're ready to take the basic income tax course, then we'll deal with that there. But right here, this mini course is so laser targeted. It's just gonna touch on the taxable amount of your income. It's going to touch on the earned income tax credit, and it's not going to really touch on the child tax credit, the additional child tax credit, even though it's going to be a part of the return. We're not going to really notice it at this point because we want to keep it so laser simple that this is enough information to just how a basic tax return will look. So hopefully, if you're ready to take the next steps, the basic income tax course will be available sometime in October. And I'll see you in my next video.